puppet of that.
You are also the puppet of the. Just
You
think about. Just think about.
no,
just think.
first clear that you talk about joker. You are also a joker of government sector.
That is
I
what
am
I'm
not a
saying.
joker.
That is what I'm saying. If
It
you
is
have a
depend
courage,
on-
if you have a dare, you
I can
resign
resign.
that job. You can resign
Yes,
that job,
I
but
can
you're working
resign.
there, it means your fault,
I can
not my
resign.
fault.
Or who says that we get only 15,000, 10,000? Who says that?
In
Who
starting-
says that?
In starting, where
What?
you can get
What
more
kind
than
of
20
starting?
How many person are getting?
सरकारी नौकरी के सपना देखल पुरान हो गई। सरकारी नौकरी के सपना देखल पुरान हो गई। अब कौशल मेहनत और टैलेंट के पहचान हो गई।
अरे वाह।
अब कौशल मेहनत और टैलेंट के पहचान हो गई। आ करत रहब ऐसे सरकारी नौकरी के तैयारी ए भैया। आ करत रहब ऐसे सरकारी नौकरी के तैयारी ए भैया। आ है तोहार सगरो उमरिया बीत जाई। आ है छोटका भतीजवा सियान हो जाई। आ छोटका भतीजवा सियान हो जाई।
वाओ वाओ, जागो ग्राहक जागो, जागो ग्राहक जागो।
You will be lethargic, you will stop working, no creative idea. That is the problem government facing with their employees. That is why they are looking towards the privatization. You can see the healthcare, you can see the railway, you can see the banking sector. Everywhere privatization is going on. So if the government sector job is very good, why government is thinking to get the everything privatized?
Well, everybody, I just welcome you all. Here we have understood our responsibility to talk about this SSC, this government job, because nowadays our youths are really so-called motivated. They are highly motivated just because of this so-called reputation of the society. We have made it. So here we are just going to talk about opting government job makes sense or not. If yes, it does, then let's talk about why and how. Because in this sheep walk, a lot of people, I think 1,000 lakh of the people are busy in preparation of government exam. So these people have decided that yes, opting government job makes sense and we should go for that. But these people have thought, no, we should not go for a government exam. Instead of going for government exam, we should do something better than government job, right? So do you think that, you can have some points? In fact, you are in front of camera, so I just want you to have those points which may be for the awareness as well. They could have some steps in their life, right? We also have not taken a step in our life, but we can think about it at least. Yes, one day we will, right? There is a very good muhavara, the backseat driver. So today we have to become backseat driver actually, right? Unnecessary advice we have to give. Maybe any single advice can be useful for the people, guys, right? So here we have Mr. Aman with Chaman to talk about this nation and this youth and Naujawan. Aman, the time is yours. Take short time and tell people that opting government job doesn't make sense.
First of all, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
First, I would like to pay my humble gratitude towards Mr. Kav sir for having me such a beautiful opportunity to present my thoughts in front of you. On the topic opting a government job, I would say it is not good for the youngsters.
Of course, no doubt.
Because getting a government job itself, it's a kind of a dilemma, what to choose or what not to choose. It doesn't make any sense because we can do better than that.
Of course.
We are just following the race of mouse. We do not think to do like that. We are more than that. Why should we do
exactly
these kind of nonsense things, some very monotonous things?
Of course. Chapari people are earning more money on YouTube channel. We should go for that. So yes, exactly, they are doing that.
In our history, so many people get to know about so many leaders, so many creators. Everyone knows about Thomas Alva Edison.
Of course.
And Thomas Alva Edison failed a lot of time. He failed a lot of time in his life. But do better. Only in a hope that I can do better.
Exactly.
For that thing made him the person to the remembered person. Everyone can know him. Everyone knows about him. And for that,
because of his invention.
Yes. So do something kind of thing that no one can do that. And self-evaluation must be there. Work on yourself. just work on yourself without doing this kind of monotonous thing to just follow the path of sheep. Others.
My goodness. I mean, be self-made. That's it.
Be self-made
Of course.
and do something new that people can admire you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
New things, sir.
You're
Everyone is very curious to know about new things.
Of course.
But no one want to know. No one
wants to know.
wants to know that very monotonous thing. It is pre-exist. What is my forte? Where is my forte? How can I do new things?
We have understood your emotion. All you want to say that let's do something unique, even if it is murder, right? I mean, you said new things, right?
Everything has pros and cons.
So we should do
we
new
have
things.
To
We should
understand.
invent something new, but we should not go for government job.
Definitely.
Let's become model chai wala. I mean, doing something new. Do you agree with his point, whatever he said about?
Well, good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to thank Cap sir, who has given me this wonderful opportunity to talk on this topic, which is very crucial. Why to opt in a government job? And it actually makes sense because there's a statement, "Man changa katauti mein ganga." When you are stable, whether you are talking about stability of mind, stability of your financial stability, then you can think new ideas. Then you can actually pursue your choices. So, yeah, no, I'm not saying by making cock and bull story. If you are trying everything new, you can only become Dolly Chaiwala only. Look, I mean, sir, we are in a society where we need reputation also. And reputation and yeah, I'm actually not in favor to actually promote Dolly Chaiwala because I only want that people remember you, your positive points. They remember you by your positive aspects.
I mean, what is wrong with that? He is on the ideology of Modi ji as well, Kisel Pakoda. Of course, yes. He's doing whatever he wants. He is having self-employment.
I personally, sir, actually.
Go generally, not personally, please. Go generally.
No, I personally don't agree with what people thought about Dolly Chaiwala. But what I think that opting government job is good because it provides you stability. And the people who are saying that it's very tough job to opt in government job, they are not on a proper strategy. Because the government also saying that after 21 you are eligible for what sort of jobs which are related to government. And the people, they are actually wasting their time up till 21 and then they started preparing for the job. And that actually create nonsense and nuisance in their life. If you are preparing for a job, if you want to become a senior officer in railways and anywhere, you start pursuing your dreams, or the strategy must be done by you from your high school or intermediate. So that can be easy for you to understand the whole syllabus and what sort of things are coming and how to prepare for that. After 21, when you started, after completing your graduation, you started thinking of, okay, now I want to pursue my career in this field. Then it will create nonsense because there is no stability. And what I'm talking about, government job is good because it has certain time limit, the very first thing. And after that, you can actually pursue your dream. After that, you can pursue your dream, or you can have plan B for yourself. That's it.
Gunja ma'am said that in a government job, you have a stability. But according to me, there is no stability.
Of course,
because
disability actually.
yes, sir, disability as well. Because in the government job, you have a lot of tensions, like your seniors' tensions and your job promotion tensions, pressure. So many tensions are, so many pressure are there. And if you are
preparing or after preparing,
after getting a job.
there is a stability after getting a job, right?
No, sir. After getting a job also. For promotion, you are always trying to, no, I have to do this work. And
You are telling
in
the problem
the
of
trying
job here.
yes. No, sir. There's
Sir, actually, after having job in government, your life is full of stability. Either you are talking about financial or mental stability. There is,
You are saying about
and if you are talking about all these type of things, that the pressure created by the seniors and all, this can be happen in any field. In any field, even in business, you are having tremendous pressure
Ma'am,
in
gov-
business and
gov-
24 hours pressure.
government job is good, but to get a government job is not a good.
No, it's with a proper.
No, it's not good.
Look,
It's not good.
No.
Stability,
actually-
which kind
look.
of... Please listen. Which
people
kind-
still.
Government job is very good, but to get a government job is not good.
So what's good?
But what-
Leaving that thing is good.
I mean,
Leaving that thing is good.
I'm not talking about a laboring. Please try to listen that. A government job, stability. You're talking about stability. What kind of stability that students are preparing, and what happens after that?
Without any strategy. If you are preparing, if you have no strategy, you have no plan.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Ma'am,
I mean, if you
listen,
are, look,
preparation are there?
you have no
Strategy
knowledge
are
of
there?
English and then you want to crack SSC, it's your problem.
But if I have knowledge, if I'm preparing, if I have a strategy, but exams are not there, what if question papers are cancelled, center are changed at that moment, center are changed, paper leaked, what I'm doing at that time?
He had good strategy.
Sir,
What happened?
excuse me,
that-
very first thing I want to say that these things occurs once in a blue moon, not every time. Not every time.
In this era, every time
People
is
are
happening.
getting jobs, sir. And I'm not
First-
talking about only one SSC. I'm talking about the examinations related to bank.
Most of the exams that I'm talking about, once your line, I love about that line, we can't upgrade ourselves in the government sector. A babu can be always a babu. You also use that.
You know what? When you get stability, that you are going to make a problem for the government as well as for the nation also. When you are stable with your job, you have a thinking that nobody is going to hamper anything or nobody is going to do anything with me. So you will be lethargic, you will stop working, no creative idea. That is the problem government facing with their employees. That is why they are looking towards the privatization. You can see the healthcare, you can see the railway, you can see the banking sector. Everywhere privatization is going on. So if the government sector job is very good, why government is thinking to get the everything privatized?
Actually, sir, that is the thoughtfulness and the mind of certain people who don't want to grow themselves. Actually, if I'm talking about those people who actually want certain things in a stable manner. They want bread in their home. They want money in their home for their unfortunate time. And after that, they can think of something for themselves. Because when you are not having proper job, or you can say private job, you can see that in private job, if you are barely graduate, you get only 10,000 per month job. Because you are not having those type of skill at the age of 21. But you can get government job at the age of 21. I'm talking about that. Because government is saying that we are providing you job. Unless they are not hampering the things the way he says that there is no examination and there is no proper rules and regulations and all. But the thing is, government is saying that we are providing you job at the age of 21. And if you are good enough to achieve it in that age, because that is going on. That is, the people are actually having job at the age of 21, 22. And after that, after spending 5 years in that job, they can stable their mind, they can actually secure certain amount of money, and then they can show their ability. And what sir is saying, the people became lethargic. There are certain class who don't want to grow. It doesn't mean that if you are having that government job, they become lethargic. It doesn't mean. The people who are in private sector, they are also lethargic. They actually substandard their means and they are living in that standard.
Why you elected those people who are not educated? Yes. Why you were selected? Yes. Selected those people who are get educated.
It's all about wisdom.
what all about is that if you
pursue people, if you
wisdom,
are able to lead
wisdom
the
come
people,
after the education, huh? If you are not
no,
educated, then how can you get
education.
wisdom?
Education is also come by reading. If you are reading something, or if you are.
All these political leaders are rapists and
Exactly.
monsters.
So many cases are
No,
Sir,
sir,
and you are saying that
many.
and IAS
Just
officers
take.
are touching the feet.
Sir,
IAS officers are respecting so much. And
So in Kerala, a IAS officer take an initiative to become a leader.
Okay.
And he is not, got not elected by the people or not selected by the people. It's not about leaders. It's all about us. We are those peoples are getting selected. Those people who are not educated.
The main point is why you are selected those people who are not educated. That's simple.
Hello.
And Mr. Rakis, you came here after 1 year. So tell me one thing: why to put our life in a risk where there is no risk and isk?
Sir, risk is everywhere. Like today I have completed my class and I'm going on road. Suddenly any accident happen and I die. So risk is everywhere.
Risk for risk.
No.
Risk for risk. It is, I mean, kind of, it's not good isk.
So this is common for me. And now I have become familiar with that, with risk, sir.
Oh my goodness.
That is why, sir, I'm ready to take a risk, any type of challenges in my
Still
life.
your last breath.
Yes, sir, still my last breath.
My God, no self-choice, nothing.
Just trying.
Sir, no, sir.
Trying, only trying.
So I have my self-esteem, which I'm going to done in future. But now for doing that thing, I have one plan. I have to suffer with that plan that can fulfill that plan which I want to do in future. That is why I'm just focusing on my present, which is very much difficult. I know, but yes, one day will be the brightness by me. So, ma'am, as you mentioned here, sir, first of all, I would like to come to you. Like you have mentioned a private job, like government and private. So you are comparing again and again private and government, private and government. But I came to know about the private sector because I have a 1.5 year experience in that private sector. If you are working in a private sector, you have to be always the joker of your boss. Because you always have to be under your boss, and your boss will say, Rakesh, like just I'm putting my example, Rakesh, you have to work little more. So you have to work there. Otherwise, they will banish you. They will kick out from that company. That is what I'm saying. But in government sector, you have a fixed time, like 9 to 5. 9 to 5, it will be the fixed your timing, and you are going to work properly. There will be no, and also, sir, also in private sector, what do you know? Like who person is graduate, also ma'am has mentioned here, like if you are graduate, you are going for the private sector job, around you are going to get only 10 to 15,000 rupees in a month. This is enough? No, but in government sector, your basic salary will start minimum 20,000 in a month. That is what I'm saying. If you are going to put effort in you, I'm surely I can say that, like in future, your future will be also brighten up, and also you will be the totally different among who person is working in a private sector. They don't have any fixed schedule. Even they have to come Sunday on 2. That is what I'm saying, sir. If you are going to work in government sector, it is much better than private sector.
No, it is not. You talking about joker.
Yeah.
You also a joker of your senior? You are.
Sir, in a private
sir,
sector.
please try to listen what I'm trying to say. If your instinct doesn't say that you have to beat that innocent person, you have to beat the teacher. SSC process is going on. Your instinct says, your heart says that you are doing wrong, but your seniors that you have to do that. What? You are a joker or that, no? You are a joker at that time.
That is what I'm saying.
And
That is what I'm saying.
you have to consider. You have to consider that point that you.
This is totally up to courage, sir. If you have a
courage,
you can
what
directly
kind
resign
of
that
courage?
job. You can directly
What
resign
kind-
that job. This is your fault.
Brother,
You are working.
it is your fault. You are a puppet of government. Puppet of that.
You are also the puppet of the. Just think about. Just think about.
No, no. First, clear that you talk about joker. You are also a joker of government sector.
That is
I
what
am
I'm
not a
saying.
joker.
That is what I'm saying. If you have a
dependent-
courage, if you have a dare, you
I can
resign that
resign.
job. You can resign
Yes,
that job.
I
But
can
you're
resign.
working there, it means your fault,
I can
not
resign.
my fault.
Or who says that we get only 15,000, 10,000? Who says that?
In
Who
starting-
says that?
In starting, where
What?
you can get
What
more
kind
than
of
20
starting?
How many person are getting salary more than 4 lakh package in a
listen,
month?
at least we get 10 to 15,000. You are not even getting a 10 to 15,000 in a preparing. What kind of
Sir,
terms that we are doing? we are
preparing,
doing-
build a patience.
What?
So listen to me.
You just
Preparing competitive exam, a government exam, it gives you patience. How much your patience can be in the future, and also in your
patience
entire
can
life.
be patience can be have by self evaluation.
You have.
Can be patient.
What?
Patience can be happen by self evaluation. Just do self evaluation
Having that patience, we are becoming patient. What about that?
Sir,
only
that-
by patient.
Listen, sir, just imagine it like if you don't have patience, you have established your own business like in a private sector, any work. You have just started working there. And what will be in like in a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, there didn't come any output. So that is why you will just stop that business, that work. So for that, if you have prepared, like the competitive exam also, you can understand, look, I have a patience. If I'm going to work around 1 year, surely there will be some output come by that work, that business.
Listen the pain of a person. Right?
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity and to express my view in the front of all the fellow mates and fellow mates.
Oh,
Fellow mates, sir.
pyramids there.
No, sir. And sir, firstly, I want to say some quotation. Yes, sir. कि सरकारी नौकरी के सपना देखल पुरान हो गई. सरकारी नौकरी के सपना देखल पुरान हो गई. अब कौशल मेहनत और टैलेंट के पहचान हो गई.
अरे वाह.
अब कौशल मेहनत और टैलेंट के पहचान हो गई. आ करत रहब ऐसे सरकारी नौकरी के तैयारी ए भैया. आ करत रहब ऐसे सरकारी नौकरी के तैयारी ए भैया. आ है तोहार सगरो उमरिया बीत जाई. आ है छोटका भतीजवा सियान हो जाई. आ छोटका भतीजवा सियान हो जाई.
वाओ. वाओ. जागो ग्राहक जागो. जागो ग्राहक
जागो.
Wake up customer, wake up, right?
Yes, sir. And I was listening very carefully whatever the points you were delivering before some minutes. But ma'am said about the China, why China is developed. If I'm going to talk about the India is so many people are saying that developing country means they are facing in the develop. And भारत एक विकासशील देश है. Okay. And if we are going to talk about the China, it means that it is developed. But why different between the China and India? Why so many differences between the China and India? But I'm going to talk about why the China is developed. Because due to Mano Puji, you know that human capital. Human capital, you know. Each and every peoples has their own self-dependent people, and they are doing and they are pursuing their own. They are doing and pursuing their own business. They are promoting the privatization. That's why the China is developed. And your peoples are saying that I know that government job is. All the things you are delivered, that is okay, but try to understand and be developed and be responsible of your country, being the citizen of the country. You targeted one day I will do that, and you stuck here. If same things is happening.
Story, right?
To sum up,
No.
To sum up, there is one point I would like to say, that is the deficiency of knowledge.
Deficiency.
If any person has a knowledge, that person can do each and everything.
Everything I know that.
Sir, in our India, 70% people live in rural area and 30% more, 30 to 35% live in a cities area. Who person is living in rural area, they have a deficiency of knowledge. Why? Because the education system is also not good. They are not getting the proper
Why the
education.
education is all over the
That
depend
is
on
what I'm saying.
the
If
government.
any sir, again you have put it here, government here.
Government. And also you can see the basic ground level reality of the Prathmik Vidyalaya. Firstly, you have to
is what I'm saying.
You have to go and see the ground reality.
Padhega India.
And so many. Padhega India,
That
तभी
is
तो
what I'm
पढ़ेगा
saying,
India.
Padhega India,
If the
Padhega
government,
India.
if the government is school is not educating the peoples who are the poor students, then how to grow our India?
Sir, only
This is a
sir,
basic
sir,
reality
sir,
of
please,
yes, sir.
Please. But I mentioned here, like the education. Our government had initiated like Padhega India to Badhega India.
Bilkul,
That is
right.
what I'm saying. We require the equal education system, but we don't have. That is what is the problem is occurring. Who person doesn't have a knowledge of which form he should,
Whatever
that person should fill.
Whatever
Sometimes
the
he's filling
government is
MTS form,
providing,
sometimes
I
he's
know,
filling SSC form.
I know very well, because I was studying in the Prathmik Vidyalaya when I was since like childhood, and
Talk on the point, man.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
on, be on the actualization, right? Don't go here and there. Simply that nowadays the thing that we are going through is good or not. Like examination, SSC,
Yeah, so many
banking, super
examination are
TET.
cancelled.
Government is not focusing on us, right?
Yes, sir.
So
That's
what
why
do you want to say?
This is being the citizen of our country.
We should ignore government exams.
Ignore government
we should
exam and
we
we
should
have
not
to-
go for
Yes,
SSC
sir.
bank. We
And
should
self-
simply do business.
Personally, sir, I want to say that, not personally, generally, because yes, sir.
Of course.
Please
Say-
self-development.
Oh,
स्वयं का
develop
विकास
yourself.
करें.
Oh.
And develop yourself and to become the content for the people. Because
Exactly.
if you are successful, if you have money, if you have skill, then you will
Arey
deserve
man.
all the life. Whatever you want to do, you can do. If you are preparing since
So you can become content by becoming an IAS officer as well.
IS officer,
So,
but it will
prepare
take
for
a long time. You know that if I have no money, my family is not support to sir.
he is
for
one of the
creation
most losers, right?
I know your emotion, but the very first thing is you don't know anything about strategy. When you are saying that the PhD person, a person is actually filling the form of what?
MTS.
Yeah, so
MTS.
that actually not recognizing the skills. I think he has no brain or idea what to do.
No, ma'am.
Yeah,
क्या बात कर रही
actually,
हैं?
yeah, actually. No. If someone who is graduate and saying that I am actually searching a job of a sweeper, then I am totally disagree for what he's saying, because I think that he is not pursuing his graduation seriously.
No, ma'am. So many educated person.
Educated, what do you mean by education?
Educated
Having
and-
degree?
Yeah, I know what is the real ground reality of the education, but there are so many skillful
Let's
person,
let's
they are
not talk
educated,
about
post
let's not
graduated
talk
and-
about education. Talk about a person who is 18 years old and one who actually want to do something in his life, to do business or something which seems to be self-development, and the other person who actually want to pursue something like to achieve stability by doing a government job. 3 years you have taken to do your business, and 3 years he has taken to pursue his actually studies and all to achieve that government job. After 3 years, let me have a simple situation. You actually faces the world. In your business, you are actually facing the world. It's up to you, your skills, and it doesn't mean that the very first day you are actually having the positive result. है ना? You have positive, you have
Ma'am,
negative,
I
you
think
have
you are
pressure
only
in your
making a
mind,
story.
and it. No. I'm actually telling you the reality. The
Reality,
person,
I know
yeah,
the reality.
the
All of
person,
us know the
the
reality.
people who are 18 years old and want to do something in their life, they can only make reels. They can only make reels.
This is also a skill.
No.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so many chapri like people.
Chapri, you have said
Yeah,
chapri.
chapri, but
Yeah, and
guy-
chapri. This is
Chapri?
not the right word for the civil
I'm not
society.
saying.
This is not the right word for the civil society,
Oh,
sir.
listen to me, ma'am, please talk to me. No.
You want
I
to
said,
make
but-
India as a
but
chapri nation.
I'm not saying. People are saying that chapri, but that chapri, giving the opportunity to those who are able to do, they are providing job also, and also they are earning too much money, and also the.
You want to say that earning money is the main agenda of life?
Ma'am, simply. If
Anyhow.
if
Anyhow,
If one chapri is providing employment, what is wrong with this?
yeah, what is wrong, ma'am?
employment to whom?
To the people of India.
People of India, and so many people are, ma'am,
Sir,
educated
what-
people are also doing that under the chapri.
Look, sir, what I actually want to say that after pursuing all these government job preparation, if you want to prepare for the government job, Mr. Vikas Divyakirti, who himself was an IAS officer and now he is actually willing to teach the students, he himself, yeah. But first of all, he is an IAS officer. He actually pursued that government job career. No, not the reality,
That's why
but
he
because
left the government
no,
job.
sir,
That's
because
why he left the government
no,
job.
he left the government job for the betterment of the country.
That's why I'm saying that. That's why I'm
Look,
saying
sir,
that.
what I'm saying, sir, because he is full with his stomach. He knows that, okay, now I earned much and now I have to do something 24 hours for the people, not for his family. Now, what I want to say that he says one time that everyone should prepare for an IAS examination once in his lifetime, because that preparation teaches that person how to be, कहते नहीं है, how to self-evaluate yourself, what do you know about the society, what are the pros and cons, how to handle pressure, how to live in pressure, because that is actually necessary. So government job is good because after having government job, you have fixed salary amount in your bank. Then you have stability through your mind. Okay, and then you can do whatever, like because the Vikirti has done.
Mr. Vivek, what is your ideology? Are you also preparing for any government exam or not?
No, sir.
Not. You want to focus on private?
Yes, sir.
You're against government job?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Because I think he's getting ki if you are doing after graduation, you got only 10,000, 20,000, 10,000, 50,000 salary.
Yeah.
And I have completed my graduation. I have got only 25,000 salary in sales field.
My goodness.
Yes.
Listen. 25,000 rupees, right?
Yeah, 25,000. No, I
he
never
didn't do
prepared
that.
for government examination.
He never thought about it.
And after you can start a business if you have no if you have no experience about any sector. If you want to start a business, you have to work in a related sector. Then after you can start a business. That's for government. In a government sector, you got a job, but you want to start your business. So how you have no idea about the sector? How it can possible? And I think government job is barrier of mind. Because you are working a government job, so you think yeah my job is stable. So how can do this?
My goodness.
Yeah, and private job at the time there are many private job are also doing grow, and after there are so many employees are doing working and promotion. If you want to get promotion, so you can doing a fast grow. You can promotion fastly.
You can get.
And there are so many companies. Are provide like you can do good. About the company, so provide only lot of bonuses, incentive, and go outside for any journey, outside games like that. There are so many, and like that. I'm also might have experience that I am doing that. Also, colleague companies. Just like I won't say. I do not want to work because I live in Gujarat. I grew up. Gujarat food is not preferred for me. And after graduation, he's also providing me. If you want to do like you are living like Delhi, Ghaziabad, UP, that you can do where.
So you can get transfer.
Yeah.
Okay.
But. Like that, we not office in Gujarat, but you have to work if you go any companies and get order, then after you can like you to do 2 year, 3 year, you can do good, then you provide office only for you. And
right.
and also if you are working in a private sector, so your companies focus on your self-evaluation because there are so many conduct sessions and get certificate for your future growth.
Exactly.
Yeah, and also weekly and monthly conduct any session for improve yourself.
Exactly.
How to perform, and like you are working in a purchaser, so that's you are seller and I am talk to you how my performance. Then I think private sector all focus about you. Yeah.
Grow professionally
Yeah.
as well. Very nice.
For future, our future. And I think in private sector is very good environment.
Of course.
Yeah, because he not feel ki he's senior, junior. Because he's also, matlab, at a time, a previous time, so many discrimination in any sector. But now it's all things friendly.
Of course.
Yeah, thank you so much for that.
In addition to it, I would like to say that the money you are investing for the preparation of SSC,
Yeah.
the same amount of money you can invest in any business, right?
Like sir, you are, sir, like that.
1 lakh rupees per year you guys are investing for eating food and surviving in Delhi. The same amount of money you can give a Sokshar, right? He can just convert in 1 lakh rupees into 10 lakh rupees per month. Of course, right? Be business minded. Be business oriented.
Yes, sir.
The money you are investing for your study, in the last you are getting nothing. So the same amount of money you can invest for business, you can get more money. Go for a stock market, go for
If the aim is to earn money, then why not?
Exactly. By the way, this is not completely acceptable statement. But yes,
And say like that. And there are so many government students are talking कि जो government is not stability. I agree your point. But there are so many people are preparing government exam 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, and there are no chance कि got job
Yeah,
or not.
yeah.
And if you are working in a private sector, you have got 2 year experience. You can switch the job, and
Of
after you
course.
getting 25 10,000 salary, and after you got 15,000 salary.
very nice, good efforts.
Yes, sir.
Huge. And SSC protester, this is not fault of government job. We don't have to give up the government job. This is the fault of government people who are doing this. We have to take action against them. We can't say government job is not good because of them. We have to change them. Because if you are starting our business, if you are doing loss, then we have to do something better. We want to do something better. How can we grow our business? How if any employee our not doing work, we have to change them. That's the same process we can do here. If that person is not doing good, we have to change. We can't say government job is not good. And some people say government job taking so much time. That's depend on you. That depends on you. We saw many girls and boys, they got job 21 years and 21 years. And we are also starting our business in 21 years after 22 years. And we can't say we are government job taking so much time. It's depend on you, and yeah, depends on you. And when we are unknowledgeable leaders, we are if we are touching feet Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they are so knowledgeable. If we are touching feet, this is our respect and our pride. So this is not fault of the government job. We should have to change, because we are public. We are choose the government. We are because of us they are become leader. We should have to choose a educated person who know about the knowledge, matlab education, and who want to grow our country. Not this time it's good. Many leaders are very uneducated. They have many cases. But who choose? We are choosing. We have rights. We should have to choose right leaders. So that's my point.
Saqib, can you try please?
Of that, how can you yes sir, FUTUR is a future. Future is not there, future is there.
Government job. That is not the problem of government job. That is
Why you give
Why
if he
do you
is not
say him?
why you
Why
say
was he
that
fired?
if he is not able to because of
Our
money.
children's future is very bad. Exactly. That is in dark.
No, why are you seeing that portion? Why you are not seeing that portion, that there is a handsome boy who actually pursued that primary teacher job designation, and he went to 50 kilometers away from his house, and he actually teaches the students who are from very unprivileged areas, people, and
We are a private supporters, okay?
and he is earning money from government job, and he is also pursuing his passion by posting those reels.
We support a private job and private vacancies. We also give
Private job actually drains your brain.
Listen, I'm not supporting the government sector. I'm just
Why to have that profession if you have to pursue passion?
exactly if both are there.
Because when your stomach is okay, filled with bread and butter, then you can start thinking about your passion. Yeah, that's the reality. When you
Something that can be pursued
without money.
without this as well.
I mean, without money.
By begging as well it can be done.
No, sir. So I'm totally, I'm disagree with what you are saying.
Why will you be? Why will you be?
Something you feel happy,
Ex-
so you can
Ma'am,
sit outside of the road and
There is a very good line by APJ Abdul Kalam. The dream is not a dream that you see by sleeping, but the dream is a dream that does not let you sleep. So if you have passion, ma'am, it's okay. No cappuccino, no coffee, no burger.
never feel hungry.
Of course, you never feel hungry. You can eat your lakadi actually. Of course, you can eat patti actually, right? But you will pursue. This is the power of passion, ma'am. And you guys are government job holders. I mean, they're not passionate about anything.
You can, but your family cannot.
I mean, you're right.
Family cannot.
After getting my expectation and passion, my family.
Family is also.
See, our family members are so cute, yeah.
They will stand to support you.
They will stick. By the way.